Hi everybody and welcome. My name is Chance. I'm the Fixed Operations Trainer here at DGDG. Today I am going to walk you through how to schedule an online service visit. Let's get started. From your browser, navigate to the dgdg.com homepage. Find Service at the top of the screen. This will display a list of all of the available service departments from DGDG. Find and select the service department that you would like to bring your vehicle into. If you purchased your vehicle from us or you brought it into one of our service departments before, hover over Find Me and put in your phone number. If you've never been here before, click on I'm New Here, select the make of your vehicle and the year, and then click Get Started. This will display a list of all the available models based on the year and make you chose. Select your model from the list. Choose your trim level and enter in the actual mileage on your vehicle. This will display the available service package options based on the mileage of your vehicle. Select the package you would like to add and then click Add to Cart. If you would like to add any additional services, you can select them from the list available. If you have any repair work, you can select them from the Repairs tab. Once you've selected all available options, click Next. If you have a specific service advisor you'd like to work with, click the drop-down and select them. If you have no preference, leave it on any advisor. You can now choose your transportation options. If you'd like to drop the vehicle off with us, leave it on the default. If you'd prefer to get a shuttle ride, click Shuttle and then click OK. You now have the option to choose the date and time which works best for you. You can click out to the future on the calendar that's provided and select the date that works best. Once you've found the week, you can select the date and time that works best for you. The blue boxes indicate available appointments. If they're grayed out, it's not available. Then click Next. From this screen, you can review your appointment time, date, and the services you selected. Then enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, a good phone number, and you can select how you would like to receive your updates. This is an appointment confirmation. You will also receive this in your email. The last step is to register. Create a password and click Sign Me Up. You do not need to remember this password as you will get an embedded link in all of the email correspondences you receive from us. That's it. How easy was that? If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Our contact information will be in the description box.